Hey everybody, this is Chris with Epoxy Hero, and today we are in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, installing one of my favorite flake floor colors, and I've said it again, Raven. I love this floor. This flake is absolutely beautiful. It's got an iconic look to it, and really it's just, honestly, it pops. It looks really, really, really cool when we put this floor down. So super excited to show you guys this process. We're gonna start today by prepping the floor. We're gonna clean the floor. We're gonna put a light grade base coat down. We're gonna broadcast those Raven flakes into this epoxy. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow and we are going to clean it up and top coat it. We are super excited, and our customer is also excited to have this floor done. How you doing, man?
Doing good. How are you?
Today is the day.
That's the truth.
We get to do the floor.
Gotta get it.
Oh, that's good. That's perfect. I didn't see the water heater in here before. I didn't pay much attention to that. Yeah. There was I can't remember. Was there a lot of stuff in here? Or?
Yeah, I can't tell you.
Yeah, that's all right. Hey, not a problem. Not a problem. All right. Well, anyway, quick rundown. We're gonna prep the floor. We're gonna put this base coat down. We're gonna broadcast the flakes. We're gonna come back tomorrow and clean up the flakes, top coat it. So we'll be done tomorrow. And
I'll block that door there and seal it up that way no one comes out there. And
yeah.
Whatever y'all need to do. You take pictures for your page, post about it.
Yeah, no, I'm recording right now, so
okay.
I'm gonna have a camera set up over here when we're putting the floor down. And
awesome.
Did we say, were we filling the saw cuts in here? I can't remember.
It's up to you. If you think it'd be worth it, then that's fine.
Okay.
Whatever you recommend is
Okay.
what I'll go with.
Okay, I got you. All right, good deal. All right, so like I said, we're gonna prep it, clean it, base coat, flakes, come back tomorrow, scrape it, clean it, top coat it. So if we got enough product here on this, we'll flood those grout line, or not the grout lines, the saw cuts.
Okay.
We'll get up underneath there, and everything will look real nice. I'll cut around that real good. Obviously, you know, if you move that, it's gonna have a section there. Yeah, it definitely makes sense to do this. I mean, when you have an epoxy floor like this installed, obviously what you had, you know, that was a joke, but or the previous homeowner, what they had, that was a joke. But when you spend the money to do this thing and you see the before and after, I mean, when you walk on this floor, you'll never ever think, man, I'm so mad that I did this. Like, you'll always be like, man, this is the greatest money I've probably ever spent.
It's felt right there. Dust clean. Just looking at this is definitely.
Oh, hell yeah. Who'd you use to clean the ducts? Was it Coit?
No, it was Pure Clean.
Oh, Pure Clean?
Yeah.
He's a carpet cleaner too.
Yes.
Yeah, he cleaned my carpet.
Oh, really?
I actually used to be in the carpet cleaning business.
Okay.
That's how I got into this, but he's a good guy. He does good work.
Yeah. There was one bed with that dog food in it. It still had a little bit of an odor after we got done. And he moved back and made sure we got
Oh, he came back? He came back?
No, he after we got done, put everything up and he checked it. We noticed there was still an odor, so we got back out and put the stuff back in.
Oh, nice.
What makes it that gray color?
Huh?
What makes it that gray color?
This, we put a color pack in there.
Oh, okay.
And the clear epoxy to change it.
That's what I wondered, 'cause I know it's clear. I was like, oh,
Yeah.
it's something.
Here we go. Today's color is Raven. Here we go. Oh, right on the camera. What do you think about that floor so far?
I think it looks great. Application easy, whole process easy. Definitely. Yeah, no, right?
Ah. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Doing all right. I like that hoodie.
Thank you. Got a bunch of us and just rotate it throughout the whole week.
Yeah, there ain't no wrong with that. Can you open the garage on the inside?
Yeah. You want both of them?
Yeah, just open them up. Smells nice and clean. Let's do the thing.
Could open the thing for me.
It's already open. Yeah, it's already unlocked. Nice. You excited?
I tell you, I couldn't stop looking at it
Yeah.
last night, to be honest.
You couldn't stop looking at it? Yeah, no, that's a good sign there.
Yeah.
We want you to be happy. This thing's gonna look awesome though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you right now. Should be here, you know, kind of same time. We're gonna, he's gonna blow everything off to one side of the garage.
Yeah.
We're gonna sweep all that up, scrape the floor, top coat it, and then you'll be done. And then about you know, after we top coat it, obviously because it's a little bit cooler. Today is Tuesday. Probably want to stay off of it till Thursday. All right, and then you should be good to go. So this is what a garage floor looks like without a top coat. As you can see, we've scraped and cleaned the floor really good. You can see the saw cut lines right here everywhere. And once we put this top coat down, this thing is gonna be banging. Nice and shiny. As you can see behind me here, this is the before picture. This is before we even prep the floor or put our epoxy down. And right here, this is what the floor looks like after we're finished. If you want to learn more about our process and get a free estimate, visit us online at epoxyhero.com.